What is Eucalyptus radiata? Eucalyptus radiata, often referred to as narrow-leafed peppermint, is a species of eucalyptus native to Australia. Unlike its more well-known cousin, Eucalyptus globulus, blue gum, Eucalyptus radiata is recognized for its milder aroma and versatility. It's commonly used in aromatherapy, medicinal preparations, and personal care products. See more 803 species in genus Eucalyptus at monsteraholic.com. How to pronounce Eucalyptus radiata? The pronunciation of Eucalyptus radiata is straightforward, Eucalyptus radiata. Breaking it down into syllables can make it easier to remember and say correctly. What is Eucalyptus radiata good for? Eucalyptus radiata is known for its numerous benefits. It's commonly used to relieve respiratory issues. It helps clear congestion and ease coughs. Enhance mental clarity. Its refreshing aroma can improve focus and reduce mental fatigue. Promote relaxation. Its soothing properties make it a great choice for stress relief. Skin care. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it beneficial for skin health. How to use Eucalyptus radiata essential oil? Using Eucalyptus radiata essential oil is simple. Here are a few methods. Diffusion. Add a few drops to a diffuser to fill your space with its refreshing scent. Topical application. Dilute with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil, before applying it to your skin. Inhalation. Add a drop or two to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam. What to diffuse with Eucalyptus radiata? Eucalyptus radiata blends well with various essential oils. Try combining it with lavender, for a calming and soothing atmosphere. Peppermint, to enhance its refreshing qualities and help with respiratory issues. Tea tree, to boost its antimicrobial properties and support skin health. Is Eucalyptus radiata safe during pregnancy? Eucalyptus radiata is generally considered safe during pregnancy when used in moderation. However, always consult with a healthcare provider before using essential oils, as individual circumstances and sensitivities vary. Is Eucalyptus radiata safe for babies? Eucalyptus radiata is often used in baby care products, but it's crucial to use it sparingly. For babies, it should be well diluted and used under the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid any potential irritation or adverse reactions. Can Eucalyptus radiata be taken internally? While some essential oils are used internally, Eucalyptus radiata is typically recommended for external use or diffusion. Ingesting essential oils can be risky and should only be done under the supervision of a qualified professional. Can you ingest Eucalyptus radiata? Ingesting Eucalyptus radiata is not advisable unless under professional supervision. Essential oils are potent and can cause adverse reactions if not used correctly. Are dogs allergic to Eucalyptus radiata? Eucalyptus essential oils, including Eucalyptus radiata, can be toxic to dogs if ingested or applied improperly. Always consult with a veterinarian before using essential oils around pets. What does Eucalyptus radiata smell like? Eucalyptus radiata has a fresh, clean scent with subtle hints of citrus and mint. It's less intense than Eucalyptus globulus, making it a pleasant option for various uses. How to care for Eucalyptus radiata? If you're growing Eucalyptus radiata, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Regular watering and occasional pruning will help maintain its health and shape. How to propagate Eucalyptus radiata? Propagation is typically done through seeds or cuttings. Seeds should be sown in a seed tray with a light, well-draining medium. Cuttings should be taken from healthy plants and placed in a rooting medium until they develop roots. Eucalyptus radiata versus Eucalyptus globulus. The main differences between Eucalyptus radiata and Eucalyptus globulus are their aroma and potency. Eucalyptus globulus, or blue gum, has a stronger, more medicinal scent and is often used for more robust respiratory issues. Eucalyptus radiata, on the other hand, has a gentler fragrance and is preferred for its milder effects. Eucalyptus radiata versus Eucalyptus citriodora. Eucalyptus citriodora, or lemon eucalyptus, has a distinctly lemony scent due to its citral content. In contrast, Eucalyptus radiata has a more subtle, minty aroma. Citriodora is often used for its insect-repelling properties, whereas Radiata is favored for its respiratory and relaxing benefits. Eucalyptus radiata versus Eucalyptus blue. Eucalyptus blue, or Eucalyptus dives, is another alternative with a more pronounced, sweet aroma compared to Eucalyptus radiata's milder scent. Both are used for respiratory support, but Radiata's gentler properties make it more suitable for sensitive individuals. Eucalyptus radiata versus Eucalyptus globulus Young Living. When comparing Eucalyptus radiata with Eucalyptus globulus from Young Living, the primary difference lies in their scent profiles and applications. Eucalyptus radiata is more subtle and versatile, making it a good all-rounder. Globulus has a stronger, more medicinal smell and is often used for more intense therapeutic purposes. Common problems and precautions. Skin sensitivity. Essential oils can cause irritation in some individuals. Always perform a patch test before widespread use. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to eucalyptus oils. Discontinue use if any adverse reactions occur. Eucalyptus radiata is a versatile and beneficial essential oil with a range of uses and benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your respiratory health, enhance your mental clarity, or simply enjoy its pleasant aroma, it's a great choice for various applications.